We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was exactly within this move, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop, and with the breakout of the previous low, we can look for buy. Because even we put these lines as 117 following by 95.7, because we mentioned this is the price we're looking for. If the price break 117, then from there we can expect next target is 95.7, because we have been looking for sell from here. And we mentioned within this zone, if we get any reversal trade setup for buy, we can look for. As we can see, the price exactly dropped to 95.7, second target, then the price reverse, because we have been looking for sell from here. And we mentioned with the breakout of the previous low, then from there, if we get any reversal for buy, we can look for trade. Anyway, if we refer to the only way we could look for trade, if we refer to the 15-minute. And as we can see, based on 15-minute, we had a trade setup. And whoever get a trade from here, they should move their stop loss to break even and just let it go. Because we, even if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the reversal. That's why we wanted to see the price break the previous low, which is this one. All right. Again, we have been looking for sell from here. We mentioned after the breakout of the previous low, then any reversal from there, we can look for buy. And this is what we get, because if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. And we want to see what we have based on higher time frame. If we move to daily chart, we have nothing to discuss. The only thing is we want to see whether we can get the reversal. And even if we move to forward chart, if we refer to the indicators, we see we had a divergence. And even right now we have a divergence. That means we're looking for the reversal. But the only thing is, if we get any trade setup, if we want to look for buy, we had a trade setup based on 15 minutes. But right now, based on 1 hour and forward chart, as we can see, if we want to look for continuation, we don't have a trade setup. We need to get a trade setup before we take the trade. And the best thing is if I move to 1 hour chart, and if he wants to look for the next trade, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is if we get any trade setup or correction of flag, we can consider to look for the next trade. But if we get any trade, we need to see the continuation as a short move. We want to see the breakout of 160, breakout of this correction. All right. But if the price reverses as a corrective move, maybe we need to look for this one as a bigger correction. All right. That's why if we want to look for buy, we have to get the trade setup, and whoever get the trade based on 15 minutes, they have to move their stop loss to break even if they want to keep the trade. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We just follow the chart. We're looking for buy. As I mentioned, we have to wait. If we get any correction or trade setup, then we can look for next trade. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.